We'll be replacing the front CV shaft on an all-wheel drive 2011 Chrysler 300C. Now this one in particular is the passenger side front CV shaft. The reason why we're doing that is because the boot ripped. So we're just gonna eyeball, I don't know if you can see that, the original position of the control arm, because we're gonna remove that control arm nut, which is an 18mm. As you can see, it is sitting, I'm gonna call it even with this guy right here, this plastic boy. It's the same elevation. So the idea is, because we're gonna take the wheel off and it's gonna sag. Once we're all done and buttoned back up, we're gonna use another jack, and then we're gonna lift it from the rotor. We're gonna attach the control arm back and then lift the whole thing up until it's just level with that plastic doohickey thing. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. All right, so remove the wheel. Now we just gotta find that castle nut. That's our guy right there. And that is our CV shaft. I'm gonna spray that baby in there. I believe it's a 32. I'm gonna spray that guy up here. I'm gonna take that out. Let it sit. Alright, so this center castle nut, we call it, is a 32mm. We should be using a impact socket, which is black, but this is all we got. There you go. Oh, look at that. Alright, now we're gonna hit it with a hammer until it's flush. And she's going in, she's in. All right, we're good. Okay, so we know it's gonna come out of the bearing. So we gotta remove this. Okay, so we have, this is 3/16 Allen key. Okay, so either me or Jessica's gonna hold this. I'm gonna make sure it's jammed right in there. This is supposed to hold that spindle. Find 18, so we went oh, whoa. Alright, slow. Okay, now that it's cracked, so get this off. Now we got it cracked. I'll get this thing here. When it spins with the nut, it's game over. Perfect. Alright. Remove the nut. You gotta unscrew that. Yep. And
is this gonna drop anything?
Alright, got that. That was a journey. So that's out. See how it, wow. Look at that. Look at the grease in there.
Oof.
Hold on. Good. See in the back.
Oof.
See how it notches out?
The whole thing's coming out, eh?
Alright, so we should have a mini crowbar. We're missing it, but we're gonna try these things. I think. So a slide hammer would work. We'd have to go to Princess Auto in the morning, pick one up. I think it would work. There, it's out. Got it. Hey, can you see that? Here you go. Follow me out. You can get the whole thing. Alright guys, we got it out. Son of a monkey. Whoa! Wow! Jeez. Needed that. Okay, now let's hammer this out. We got to put the nut back in for safety. There you go, I feel better for that. Give it some support. Woo! Damn!
As soon as that's through, it's basically lined up. Okay, good.
All right, so we ratchet strapped that to bring it closer here. You got those two nuts. All right, then we got the bolt off back on. We didn't have this. I'm assuming this is this one.
Really?
Are you able to hold this here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks like it.
Put our castle nut on. Here, for safety.
There's a lot of things for safety.
Ooh, look at that.
For your lubing pleasure.
We're gonna lift it up from the rotor. Watch that. Tell me when this thing lines up to the center of this.
Okay. Right there.
Right there. Alright. Good to go. That. Because it's at the original position, this is a good time to install our castle. Give a little bit of 1-2 for me and you. That's good. Perfect. for a test drive. See how she goes. Oh. Any noises? Alright, so the wheel is fairly straight. It's not bad. We're still gonna do an alignment, but the one thing that saved us was those ratchet straps. There is more than one way of doing this. We could have taken out the whole entire shock strut tower. Could have done that. You don't feel anything on your end, do you?
No, it feels really good actually.
Does it?
It doesn't feel so wobbly anymore.
Alright guys, so that is how we change the CV shaft on an all-wheel drive 2011 Chrysler 300C. Now this should apply for
Flashing.
what?
It's running out of memory, so wrap it up.
Okay. It should apply for 2011 and ups. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Bye!
See some other videos.